Here in the factory, we transform the cocoa, Jamaican cocoa, into chocolate. So we go to the whole process of buying the bean, fermenting, drying, roasting, grinding into a mass, chocolate mass, and after that we do our recipe for white, milk, or dark chocolate. We have a mold, so when we do bars, the mold are in the bar shape. And when we're doing the eggs or any kind of little truffle, we have mold. So first of all, we put the color on the mold. And after that, we melt the chocolate into it. And after that, if we want to do a filling or just leave it plain, we leave it plain. Okay, it's been 6 years that I'm making chocolate, but that I'm transforming the chocolate, it's been 4 years. We're using a natural and organic cocoa butter, so it doesn't affect anything about the health. Everything is natural. And also the packaging that we use are all organic or plant-based. Even the cellophane that you will see are made with pulp of a plant. We make chocolate all year long for every occasion, for Christmas, for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Easter, Father's Day, and Halloween. You can reach us by email at likklemorechocolate.com, or you can go online on Instagram. You can reach me at Nadine Bury or at Likkle More Chocolate.